love you. Let me clean your bum bum. Why is your bum bum hard? Daddy, why is your bum bum hard?
I don't know.
Touch it. Where is he? He's collecting.
Yeah.
Hi. Can I eat? He's eating. He's eating honey. Can I sit?
He's making honey.
He's making.
Oh, Ling.
Hi, I love you, Dada.
You're making honey.
Yeah, he's making honey.
For whom?
I don't know.
For the people.
Do it. We do it so close. Do it so close. Bring the phone super close so he can watch it.
Yeah, it's so close. See? He's eating.
Should we?
Yeah.
Can I sit on your lap, Dada? Let me hold it for you.